Meet DJI Osmo Nano, own the moment with next-level creativity. The DJI Osmo Nano is here to redefine how we capture life's moments, from action-packed adventures to everyday highlights. Compact, lightweight, and packed with pro-level features, this all-new wearable camera makes storytelling effortless, no matter where your journey takes you. Ultra-lightweight, effortlessly wearable. Designed with an ultra-compact dual-sided magnetic build, the Osmo Nano easily attaches to accessories, hats, or even a chest strap. Its wearable versatility opens up bold, hands-free shooting angles, letting you record from perspectives that traditional cameras can't match. Whether you're cycling, running, or exploring, Osmo Nano keeps pace with your lifestyle. Image quality beyond imagination. Don't let its size fool you, the Osmo Nano is a powerhouse. Equipped with a next-gen 1/1.3-inch sensor and advanced image processor, it delivers 13.5 stops of dynamic range, producing stunning clarity even in challenging light conditions. Capture every detail with 4K per 60 frames per second video, 4K per 120 frames per second slow motion, and a sweeping 143 degrees wide field of view that ensures you never miss a moment. Vivid colors and nighttime brilliance. With 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance, Osmo Nano records over a billion colors, preserving incredible detail in both highlights and shadows. For night scenes, Super Night Mode enhances low-light quality with advanced noise reduction, so your memories stay just as vivid after dark. Smooth stabilization for cinematic shots. Featuring two powerful stabilization modes, Osmo Nano keeps footage steady no matter the situation. Rocksteady 3.0 smooths out action shots, while horizon balancing corrects tilts within plus or minus 30 degrees, ensuring professional-looking results even during fast-paced movement. Built for endurance. Battery anxiety won't hold you back. The Osmo Nano delivers up to 90 minutes of runtime on its own and extends to a remarkable 200 minutes with the multifunctional Vision Dock. Fast charging ensures you're always ready to shoot, just 20 minutes gets you back up to 80%. Seamless sharing and swift transfers. Thanks to USB 3.1 compatibility and high-speed contact points, transferring your footage is lightning fast, up to 600 megabytes per second, paired with the DJI Mimo app to enjoy real-time previews, one-tap editing, built-in templates, and Wi-Fi 6.0 quick sharing. Editing and posting your videos has never been simpler. Ready for any environment. Adventure doesn't stop at the water's edge, and neither does Osmo Nano. It's waterproof up to 10 m, making it perfect for underwater captures. With the Vision Dock, it gains IPX4 splash resistance, giving you peace of mind in rain, sweat, or splashes. Sound that matches the visuals. Great visuals deserve great sound. With Osmo Audio Direct microphone connection, you can pair up to two mic transmitters simultaneously, no receiver needed. Add stereo recording from its dual built-in mics, and you're guaranteed crisp, immersive audio in every clip. Creativity without limits. From horizontal to vertical shooting, auto-record, pre-rec, and smart editing options, Osmo Nano is built for modern creators. Paired with a wide range of magnetic accessories like the hat clip, headband, and chest strap, you can customize your setup for any adventure. Final thoughts. The DJI Osmo Nano isn't just another action camera, it's a storytelling tool designed for creators who want professional quality in a pocket-sized package. With its cutting-edge sensor, stunning color science, long-lasting battery, and versatile magnetic design, Osmo Nano empowers you to own the moment, every moment.